Rough Dog Entertainment presents The Show, Bobby I vs. Bounce.
The artist versus the dancer.
One night only. Friday, May 2nd at Henry's Palace, located at 7645 Finkel, between Wyoming and Livernois in Detroit. With special guests, Def Squad, 1245, Tank Dog, Young Celebrity, Strictly Business, TKO, and many more. Special invited guest appearance from Chicago is House of Matic. Musical performances by Frank Fisher, Corey Nasser, and a surprise stage performance. Ladies, you will not forget.
Sounds by TikTok and DJ Rowe, aka Pretty Boy.
Hosted by Platinum Gold. Get your VIP tickets now. $15 at the door, $25 VIP in advance. It's The Show, Bobby I vs. Bounce. One night only. Friday, May 2nd at Henry's Palace. Sponsored by Platinum Housewives Accessories, WNEN TV, and Bobby I DJ Services. Ladies, this one's for you. It's The Show, Bobby I vs. Bounce. One night only. Friday, May 2nd at Henry's Palace.
Ladies, this one's for you.